In just a couple of days, I'll be leading a convoy of vehicles from the UK 5,000 miles into the depths of the Arctic. And in all my preparation and making sure the engine's ready and the car's ready, there's one thing which I've massively overlooked, and that's my tyres. They're cracked, they're perished, there's nails in them, and whilst the rear has got plenty of tread on them, the front, well, it's nearing the legal limit. There's also huge chunks of rubber taken out of them from where I've beaten them off over the years. These tyres have served me well. They've been through ice, snow, sand, desert, heat, mountainous terrain, rocky terrain, rivers, boulders, you name it, they've driven over it, guaranteed. So today we're going to go and get them replaced, and I've only got a couple of days to do it because I'm going to the Arctic. Tyres of this size on this vehicle are quite hard to organise and get in just a couple of days. Most places will have limited stock, and it turns out at the moment everybody's needing tyres. So I had to scramble around and find who could supply me some tyres, and I found 4x4tyres.co.uk. They helped me out massively easy website to use. You type in your registration or your tyre size and it comes up with all your options. They even organise fitting and delivery for you. So great thank you to them. They helped me out massively. Let's go and get these on. First job is to remove the old wheels using the locking wheel nut. These are the old wheels here, and next they're going to remove all of the balancing weights from it. There was enough to sink a battleship on this one here. Then we can remove the old tyres from the rims and get them off. Next up is fitting the new tyres, followed by inflation, and then finally balancing. And yes, I've gone for the Cooper Discoverer AT3s with the white wall lettering as well. These are the Sport all-terrains, so a little bit more designed for road use, because when I'm going off-road, I've always got to get there, which is the most longest part of the journey, so it should save a little bit on fuel. Most importantly though, these got the mud and snow and the 3 peaks symbol as well, so they are designed for use up in extremely cold climates, driving on ice and snow. So after fitting and a small drive, the tyres feel great. I think they look great. They've got those Cooper Discoverer white lettering on the walls there. I want to say thank you to 4x4tyres.co.uk for organising this for me at such short notice. It's absolutely brilliant. If you're after any off-road 4x4 tyres, head to 4x4tyres.co.uk. The real test is going to be taking these up into the Arctic. It's a 5,000 mile drive, and we're setting off in a couple of days. I'll see you in the next video.